Today I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair Gaming K95 RGB Platinum mechanical keyboard. I'm really excited about this product. As you can just tell from the packaging, again, it's got a great weight to it, so I'm really excited to see all the features and what it looks like to unbox. This is the MX Cherry mechanical switch with the RGB brown. Again, mechanical keyboard. This is built and designed specifically for those in the gaming community. Here's the package, 3 onboard profiles to store your settings. Dynamic, multicolor backlighting with light edge technology. It's got the full array here of everything you could possibly want. K95 RG Platinum. It looks really good. This just shows some of the tech specs on it. And here's what the back of the packaging looks like. And they've done a really good job just marketing everything on here. It's got detachable, dual-sided, soft-touch wrist rests. It really looks like they've thought of everything possible for it. Again, some more USB pass-through ports. Aircraft-grade brushed aluminum frame. It's really cool. So, 6 programmable G keys for in-game use. They have it all. So, it's a really, really good-looking package, and excited to see what the keyboard looks like it's inside. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and see what this keyboard looks like, but really excited. Get it opened up. Okay, I'll set the box off to the side over there. I feel like I need some special music when this opens and some light. Take that box off too. And see what we have. We'll start here first, I guess, and keep working our way to the grand reveal. This is going to be, okay, cool. Typical warranty, user manual. Looks like a couple spare keys. Nice. I can open this up too without ripping anything. Does not want to go easy. Aha! Sometimes it just helps to read where it says open here. Ooh. We may or may not be needing this later. So excited for that. Get the trash out of the way. Get this cord out of there. And I'll set this box down. The grand reveal. Ta-da! Go ahead and get it out of the plastic. Oh yeah, this looks wonderful. So there's your 6 programmable G keys. It's not even plugged in. I'm excited. It's not even lit up or anything. So volume controls, everything. That finish is phenomenal. I know they described it as aircraft grade. Your USB as well. Here should have that. Yep, pass-through USB right there. Man, this keyboard is really cool. So let's see the back. Fold those out, fold those in. If you want to use this too. Doesn't look very hard to attach it to the back. I'm not going to do it, but I'll show you. So right there, if you want the wrist rest, wrist guard, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, here's the keyboard from Corsair Gaming. Again, this is the K95 RGB Platinum. Looks really nice. They did a really good job. So I like the texture on the space bar as well. A couple more little lights there too. They've really got it down on this one. So I'm excited to plug this in my computer and actually use it. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Again, a link to this keyboard will be in the description below, so you can check it out on Amazon and read any reviews you want. If you have any questions, you can check out some of the stuff on there or leave it in my video. But again, look below in that description and go ahead and check it out in more detail and let me know what you think. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.